Now we're going to go ahead and put our finger numbers in for this. And again, the meta tools for that is just the number. So we've got 5 and 3 and, excuse me, that is 3 and 3 is on the bottom and 2 on the top. There we go. And I'm going to take these and just kind of adjust and move them around so they look about even. If you ever made an adjustment to one of these and you want to move it back to the original place, you hit on Windows, you hit backspace, and that moves it to its default position. And for these finger numbers, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to add, when there are multiple fingers, one at a time, and move it into place. And I find that just makes it a little easier to get it. So there's 4 and 1, get them about even. Now, there's not, in at least my version, the same kind of a tool as for your smart shapes, where that you can actually line them up. If you ever need these to be more accurate, closer together for, like, let's say it's a very professional transcription you're making, then you could actually go up to the view here, and we can add in grids, snap to grid, and you can also add in, it's been a bit since I've used this, and if I want, I can actually add in the grid, which kind of shows these positions, and it gives you a better idea if they're even or not. I find that unless I'm really going very particular on the detail, I usually don't worry about that. I just kind of eyeball it, and there we go. That's about right, about even. And let's see, measure 7, 8, 9. We've got 3 and 1 on the top. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9, 3, and 1. And just to make those a little clear, I'm going to pull them up above the staff there. There we go. And on the bottom, there's 1 and 4. And let's do 1 and 4. There we go. Excellent. Now, this is another one of those moments where adding in the rest of these is a pretty simple thing to do, and you'll just want to kind of make sure and move them around as you're going so they don't get mixed up. And once again, if, like, let's say I hit 3 and all of a sudden this is somewhere where I don't want it to be, I can hit backspace on Windows, and that'll pull that back to the right spot. That's all for this video, and in our next video we're going to be doing work on just cleaning up our final product.